It's Anything Nerdy, and I'm back with an updated tutorial of how to read comic and manga on your Android device. But this time, it's going to be a little bit different because you could also watch anime. As your choice, I'm using Google Chrome, which I would recommend, and it's called AnythingNerdy. Search up AnythingNerdy, download, and you would press the first one. Then after that, you'd want to scroll down until you see download and you press release page. When you're here, scroll down until you see APK, AnythingNerdy ARM64VAA APK. File might be harmful. This is not harmful. Let it install. Open it. Install. For most people, I mean not really, because I feel like everyone's downloaded an APK before. It's gonna say like you have to turn on a setting to make you download stuff from Google Chrome and other sources, and yeah, so after you do that, you just install it. After you install it, you can open it. So you see, it looks very similar to the AnythingNerdy opening. So this is really simple. All you have to do is go here, and here is all the extensions. You have everything you need. Animix plays, probably. This is what I meant. Install on apps. This is what you have to do. They have every source you need for anime and anime. I'm not gonna get to that. Here's all the manga, the sources they have. I'm just gonna get something quick and easy. That won't get me in trouble. God, these are some names. Hey, I'm just gonna do clone manga. After you do that, you could also, if you also want comics, you can search up this one. Comic. Read comics online. Get this one, and that's the best one, in my opinion. I don't know if you have anything better. So I go here, and this is for comics. I'm gonna use The Walking Dead as an example. First thing there, I'm gonna go to issue 193, and I'm using the manga format right now. I'll have to fix that. So you see here, boom, 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 works fine. Manga. This is fan fiction manga. Let me find something else really quick. My bad. Just gonna use where's manga decks? There you go. Go to your manga sources. Go to manga decks. Let's just use I'm just gonna search on Naruto because I don't want to find no anime. You were at Naruto, and bada boom, Naruto. And here's the feature I did not show last time because it was not there before, the anime feature. So this is really risky. I'm risking the channel, but oh well. See, I'm just gonna show a little bit more. That's all I'm showing. I'm not trying to get this channel ruined. You see, it works. Amazing, right? Well, it's been a while. I hope to come back. And it's been Revens from AnythingNerdy, and I'm out. Forgot to show guys was how to switch the reading modes. So all you have to do is go to settings, go to reader, and then you want to go to, it's here somewhere. you want to go to there. The first one, I'm slow. So if you want to go left to right for like traditional American reading, webtoon where you go up and down, and yeah. Personally, I like left to right because I'm more of a comic reader than manga reader. So yeah, it's been Revens from Anything Nerdy, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.